What's going on, YouTube? Did you miss me? Alright, let's talk about a little bit of cut and sew real quick. Alright, now we're building our brand. Alright, so if you're looking for a good quality whatever, t-shirt, hat, hoodie, whatever you decide to go with, what you should do is, if you're lost or you're confused, what you should do is pick a brand that you really like and take that. Let me start all over. Pick a brand that you really like and buy like one of their hats or their hoodies or their jackets or something and feel the quality. You know, look at the tag, see, what the garment is actually made out of and go off of that. And what you do is you take that piece and you send it to whoever your manufacturer is and say, listen, here's my artwork, here's my design, but I want it to feel like this. I wanted to have this type of texture, or let's take this hat. Okay, so you say, okay, I wanted to have this type of strap back and my own company's tag on the hat, and I want the brim to be red just like this one, and that's what you work off of. All right, because like a lot of people don't know how to start, or how to begin the process. And that's the easy way right there. I'm giving you a gem right now. That's the easy way to start. Once again, like, I don't know, go through your closet or go to the store and buy something new, package it up, ship it to whoever your manufacturer is and say, listen, here's my artwork, here's my design, but I want this material. All right. And then once they send you back the sample, then you do your quality control. If everything is to your specifications and how you like it, then you place a bulk order. Never, ever, ever, don't ever, I'm telling you right now, don't ever order in bulk first without actually getting a sample made, or even having the clientele to actually sell the piece to. For one, you might not like it, and two, you might be sitting on it and not be able to sell it because you don't have the clientele for it yet. All right, so don't make those mistakes. And just know, a sample might cost you over $100 for one piece, but it's worth the investment because of the quality control. Once again, you get to see something, you get to see something from the beginning that you designed and you made come to life. All right, so once again, that's a gem for today. If you decide to go that route as far as cut and sew and getting something manufactured outside of the other normal way of making your pieces, as far as using transfers or vinyl or what have you. All right, so just be patient as well too, because sometimes a sample may take I don't know 3 weeks to be made and sent back to you. But if everything comes out the way you designed it and the way you planned it, I'm telling you, you're gonna be very, very happy. I've done it multiple times. I'm actually in the process. I'm gonna do another order soon with my manufacturer, because I I designed some shorts and a nice top for the summertime. So I want to get that rocking and rolling as soon as possible. And I'll show you guys the process of how I actually designed it, what template I used to design it, and when the final product comes in, I mean, I'll show it off to you. All right. So once again, as always, like, comment, subscribe, and choose your own path. Let's go.
The message is always in the cloth, the colors, the designs, the fit. Basically, pay attention, stay alert, and remember, choose your own path.